Tech tip today, removing a Livewell valve. Customers complaining about his Livewell valve not moving, so we're gonna go ahead and disassemble everything back here and get a look at that Livewell valve and make sure it's not just a valve or maybe a cable. And the bend in the cable could just be from the valve, or the cable could just be bad. So we gotta get in here and take a look at it. There's our valve right here. This is what's all jammed up. Either the cable here, which is bent on the other side, is bad, or more likely, I'm gonna say this thing's probably full of rocks, crayfish shells, zebra mussels, whatever. It's full of junk. There we go. It's out. You know, over time you can see that sand, grit, and stuff gets in here. It wears these fins out. You know, this is what actually took out the cable. The cable's all bent because this was all just at one time jammed up full of stuff, and they just don't go smooth. A new one, you'll be able to move it real smooth. I mean, like effortless. So this is just worn out. Time for a new one. I believe we got some in stock, so let's go up front and grab one. It's the one I need. Now we're going to reinstall. But here's a good tip for you. To make these last a little longer, inside your Livewell, there should be some screens. Some older boats don't have them in. But the best way to make this last a little longer is at the end of the day, just go through and spray out your Livewells. You know, try to flush as much of that grime, sand, and everything out. Your valves will last a little longer.